Everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out how you can access the old virtual environments even if you're on version 81. As you can see, I am on here. Now they do have new virtual scenery, and you can access those by pressing the menu button on the left controller. So if I press that, it's going to bring up this, and you can see right here all the different sceneries. I've got one of the new ones downloading now. Just the other day there were only 4. They've already added another one here, so they are going to be adding more types of scenery here, hopefully making up for losing a lot of those old virtual environments. But if you still want to access them, here's what you need to do. Go to your settings menu. I already had that up here. Scroll down to the bottom to where it says help. Go up to the top where it says help and tips app. That's going to bring up a new window for us here. Let's just bring that out front. You're going to want to go to the bottom here where it says tutorials. Scroll down on here to where it says change your virtual environment. Click on that. Click on go to settings, and now in my settings menu you can see all the old ones are accessed here. Now if you want to activate any of them, you might have to reinstall some of them, but then you can just hit the apply button and there you go. It's up just like it was before. You can go through and install any of them, and then you can see them right here as well. Now I have noticed that when you restart your quest, that it actually will take you back to the scenery. It won't keep the virtual environment as you chose before, but this is just an option right now. I don't know how long it's going to last, but you still can access these virtual environments kind of through this back door. So thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.